Hi friends, this is Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITBird143. In this tutorial, I will show you how to insert or attach files to the pages in Microsoft Office OneNote 2007. As we all know, notebooks created in OneNote helps us to collect and keep all kinds of information in one place. Instead of retyping information or relying on links to the file which will become unavailable in offline, we can bring the content we need directly into the OneNote, either as an attachment or as a printout. Open OneNote 2007, come to the page in a notebook section, select the area where we want to insert the file. After this, click on Insert tab. In the menu bar, here we will get two options, Files and Files as Printouts. First, I will attach the documents using Files option. Navigate to the location of the document, select the file we want to attach, and then click Insert. Attaching a file such as a Microsoft Word document to a page in OneNote places a copy of that files in OneNote and shown as icon that we can open. Double click on the icon. Here we will get the warning. Just ignore this, click on OK. And we got the Word document. Here, if you want, we can edit the content of the file. And we can save this file. Important note that OneNote attaches only static snapshot of the source file that we insert into OneNotes. Any changes that we made in the copy will not show up in the original and vice versa. That means it does not maintain a link to the source file. Come to the source file. And here it is not showing the text that we have entered. Attached files are stored as part of their associated notebook. If we move a notebook to the other location, inserted files will also move with the notebook. Now I will insert the files as printout. Click on Insert, come to Files as Printouts. Choose a document you want to insert. Select the file, click on Insert. Inserting a file as printout places a picture of its contents on a page in OneNote. We cannot edit printouts like regular notes. This printout will work just like inserted picture. We can resize them. And move them anywhere on the page. Here, one important note that if you want to insert a password protected document, we need to enter the correct password before the document printed to OneNote. And on the top it is showing the icon and the link from where the printout has inserted. If you want, we can delete this. Select the icon, press delete on your keyboard, and here we can add notes or annotations to this image. We can extract the text from a file printout and paste it in our notes. This is useful to make changes to the text. For that, please select the image, right click on the image. Here we will get two options, copy text from this page of printout. This will help us to copy text from only the currently selected image. And we have one more option, copy text from all the pages of the printout, which helps us to copy text from all the images or the pages. Select a option. I'm selecting copy text from this page of printout. Click where we would like to paste the text and then press Ctrl V. Now we can edit this text. And after this, let's use copy text from all the pages of the printout. I'm deleting this. Here we have two pages, that is two images. Again, select the image, right click, and this time please select copy text from all the pages of the printout. And after this, we need to select the location where we want to paste this text. Use Ctrl V to paste the text. Now we got whole text from both the images. Like this, we can insert or attach files to the pages in Microsoft Office OneNote 2007. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends. And please visit my channel ITbird143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.